दार्जिलिङ पहाड केन्द्रित विभिन्न जनगोष्ठीलाई दिएको डेभलपमेन्ट कल्चरल विकास बोर्डद्वारा आज सिलगढी जर्नलिस्ट क्लबमा अपराह्न 3:30 बजे एक पत्रकार सम्मेलन आयोजना गरिएको थियो। उक्त पत्रकार सम्मेलनको मुख्य उद्देश्य उत्तर प्रदेशको हाथरस जिल्लामा घटेको घटनाको दलित महिलामाथि शारीरिक शोषण पश्चात हत्या विषय लिएर यसको विरोधमा पहाडका विभिन्न जनजाति बोर्डहरूद्वारा खरसाङ, मिरिक, कालेबुङका धरना प्रदर्शन गरिरहेका छन्। तर दार्जिलिङमा भने यसको कुनै असर नपरेको तथा हाथरस घटना विषयमा कुनै विरोध अथवा धरना प्रदर्शन कुनै प्रकारको कदम नचालेको कारण उक्त तीनैवटा क्षेत्रका सम्पूर्ण जनजाति बोर्डका प्रतिनिधिगण अचम्बित बनेका छन्। उक्त बैठकमा लेप्चा विकास बोर्डका चेयरम्यान तामसाङ लेप्चा, तामाङ बोर्ड चेयरम्यान सञ्जय मुक्तान, थामी बोर्ड, दमाई बोर्ड, सार्की बोर्ड, मगर बोर्ड चेयरम्यान लगायत अन्य विकास बोर्डका चेयरम्यानहरूको उपस्थिति रहेको थियो।
Thank you very much indeed for everything, and of course today I think we'll start from a lady. She is our spokesperson. She is Renu Nira Bomjan, and she is the spokesperson of all Hills Development and Cultural Board. May I, Renu?
Thank you. Namaskar. Very good afternoon. So we have on behalf of all Hill Development and Cultural Boards of both the district of Kalimpong and Darjeeling, if you don't mind. Today we are here to basically protest against the Hathras tragedy that occurred. We as women in the board, we have felt very, very badly about what has happened. After speaking to several of our chairmen, we have now decided to take on bigger steps for that. Hence, we have this press conference today. So, number one, we shall be starting by actually having programs in the districts of Kalimpong, Darjeeling, and Kalimpong and Darjeeling, especially Kurseong, Mirik, Kalimpong will be having several of these kind of programs in the future. It is very sad that today in India, as a woman who comes from the scheduled tribe, the Tamangs, we are several, the boards here have got different people from different tribes, from the other backward classes, and from the scheduled caste as well. So today in India, जिसको हम भारत माता कहते हैं, हर टाइम में mother is related, mother language, mother tongue, everything is there. But it's very, very sad कि जिस तरह से यहाँ की लड़कियों और हमारे बहनों के ऊपर हो रहा है, we totally do not agree with this. This is very, very heinous, and we have never seen this kind of prosecution or this kind of atrocities in women in any other time. We are shocked by the extent of the torture that was committed. So it is a very, very big request, and also a very humble request to all the ministries involved, to the home ministries, to the directives like the enforcement directives, which are the CBI. I'm sure things are already in place, but we still request for all the governments to come together, because this is a question about a woman's honor. You know, in the Indian culture, we have had several times where women have been totally abandoned. द्रौपदी का वस्त्र हरण हुआ सबके आगे, सीता को चलना पड़ा आग में. Or after all this, in the 21st century, when we are living in a world of technology, जहाँ पे everybody is going forward, we, the women of India, are still facing this. And it is not it is not very nice for, I may be from the hills, but the one who got killed, the one who got raped in Hathras was also a woman. She was somebody's daughter, she was somebody's sister, and would be perhaps a mother to somebody. So these people have not even just taken a life, but they have taken away the rights of a woman. Manisha Valmiki, she was called. Press में तो उसका एक statistics है. Rape in India, a rape happens every 2 hours. हम यहाँ पे press statement कर रहे हैं, जाने कितने लोगों का, लड़कियों का rape हो रहा है, कितने molest हो रहा है, कितने क्या हो रहा है, and how long are we going to keep quiet about this? So the Hill Development Boards, we work very, very strongly towards causes that affect our boards, especially in terms of women. We would like to thank our Chief Minister, who has really, really put the women empowerment level on a different thing for us, because all the boards, with all my chairmen, I can say that the projects that we do, the most important projects, that is the housing project, every woman in the Hill gets a house. The house is under the woman's name. It is not under the man's name. It is either, the house either belongs to the mother, the sister, the wife, or the sister, for which we thank the Chief Minister, Ms. Mamta Banerjee, who has so far been very, very kind and generous in helping the women of our community. And to see this thing happening nationally, we are all here, 14 chairmen of various boards, our chairman of all chairmen, Mr. Tamsang, our general secretaries, different chairpersons are here to vehemently object and to vehemently stand against what is happening in India. And we hope that these steps that we are taking in the future will help towards kind of, making people aware. And I think it is not women who need to be safe. I think men also need to be educated about the respect of women. I am very sad to be here today. This is not a very happy occasion for me. And as spokesperson of all Hill Development and Cultural Boards of both the district of Darjeeling, we appeal once more to every single governance involved to take a deep, deep look into such a tragedy, and hopefully this will never be repeated again. Thank you very much.
हामी कल्चरल एन्ड डेभलपमेन्ट बोर्डबाट र यहाँ चाहिँ हामी आज सम्पूर्ण पहाडको बोर्डहरू चाहिँ किन भेला भएका छौँ भने चाहिँ हामी चाहिँ जुन काण्ड मनिषा वाल्मीकि युपीमा भएको जुन काण्ड थियो त्योमाथि चाहिँ हामीले चर्चा परिचर्चा गरेर र एउटा हामीले प्रेस मिट गर्ने निर्णय लियौँ र त्यस प्रेस मिटमा चाहिँ हामी के बताउन चाहन्छौँ भने चाहिँ हामी आउँदो यो 11 अक्टोबरको दिन आइतबारको दिन हामीले 3टा जग्गामा प्रोटेस्ट र्याली जस्तै गर्ने भएका छौँ र जग्गा चाहिँ कालिम्पोङ, मिरिक र खरसाङमा गर्नेवाला छौँ र हामीले विशेष गरी चाहिँ त्यसमा चाहिँ केटीहरूलाई नै लिएर गयो किनभने एउटा नारी जातिमाथि माथि किन यस्तो हुन्छ हर टाइम रेप त भयो एसिड एटेक कसलाई हुन्छ नारी जातिमाथि हुन्छ किन वाइ किन चाहिँ भएको यो कुरा हामीले प्रोटेस्ट गर्नुमा हाम्रो कमजोरी भएको कि या चाहिँ प्रशासनमाथिमा के भएको कि त्यो कुरामाथि चाहिँ हामी घोरभन्दा घोर विरोध गर्छौँ। हामी सम्पूर्ण बोर्ड कालिम्पोङ डिस्ट्रिक्टको बोर्डको सम्पूर्ण चेयरम्यान साहेबहरू र यता दार्जिलिङ बोर्डका सम्पूर्ण चेयरम्यानहरूले नै यस कुरामाथि चाहिँ घोरभन्दा घोर विरोध गर्ने चाहिँ निर्णय गरेको थियौँ र यसै कारण चाहिँ हामी आज यहाँ प्रेस मिटमा भेला भएका छौँ।